Menteri Rangba Kejala ukon rat ke sangma haka khandai tarik unaitung ula pentep ba Kejala kala penlut hadu arspa saupau klur tengka haka jinya kun ya ka klam COVID-19 menta kasnem ka bakan thup ya ka jing thi ya ki kor ki bor bat ban shna ki hospital prefab bat ki wei ki jing pen kre la da wan len shop ka klam haka sen ka balai ukon rat ke sangma ulong kajing penlut ya kene kapisa ka kanthop banthit ya ki kor ki bor ki tendong air oxygen concentrator banchna ya ki hospital prefab ki tiar kitar kajing si ka tulop kajing penlut pensap ke corona care center kajing thit ya ki ambulance ki mask ki PPE bat ki wei la ban ong bahaka snam baladap ka sarkar jala kalapan bana bakalapan lut hadu laispa klur tengka haka jing khun ya ka klam COVID-19 haka jala haka bia ba ka jing bom shimlut kinong trai ka kwat ka khya ya ka dawai tika nakalyang ukon rat ulong bakumba phrapau nakashispa kinong trai ka kwat ka khya kiladap ban shim ya ka dawai tika bat kalong ka badan kam ba baro kide ban shimlut ya ka handai ka sarkar kamla ban shupen bor ya ki ka badan kam kalong ban pensung thu ya ki baka dawai tika kalong kabakong san ban yada ya kajing imbriu. Menteri Rangba ulong naki hinyau spa sapo khandai ngut ki balaklat na kajing pang COVID hadu ka khandai tarik unaitung kiladon hadu hendriu spa khandai phawai ngut kata khandai phawar na kasispa ki bayam ki bompat sim satya ya ka dawai tika bat kane ka pen isai kedar ba kajing ai dawai tika kalong kabakong san bha bat hadu menta ki bal ai dawai tika ha kajala kila jankot shaka phralak ngut ukon rat sangma ulapen pawe ke jing binyau ba kiladon kinong mi khamat ke jala ki belami shakhamat ban kan tho jur ya ke jing ai da waitika ba ulakan tu ba kom kinong mi khamat pai ba kidon ya ke jing kit khli ban pentikna ba ki pai ba ki de ban yo e ke jing ada bat kat kum ki jing wat banya hakalang ke perthai la pausha ba ka da waitika ka yarap ban yada na ke jing pang
691 people, which means 92% of the people who lost their lives. 92% did not take a single dose also. So clear data and indication coming in that vaccination is absolutely necessary. So I once again would like to urge all concerned, those who have not taken vaccine, and if there's somebody in the press also, I would like to urge you also, that we have clear indication that those people who lost their lives, 92% of them had not taken a single dose. So therefore, it is important to take vaccination, and similarly, we are asking our health workers also to do that. In this process, I would also like to state that there have been some elected members who have been openly criticizing and not really promoting the vaccination program. And I would like to say that being elected members, we have a responsibility. We have a responsibility to ensure that our people are protected. And as members, we do our research. The entire world does its research. Evidence is very clear that vaccination is saving lives. So I would urge these members who are unnecessarily creating confusion among the people that please act responsibly. If you are irresponsible and if you are not taking interest in saving people's lives, then at least don't say anything that's going to discourage people from taking this vaccine.
Menteri Rangba ulong ba ula hukum bantung yak inquiry committee kabalat lut batang marway priu bantok ket bania hakabaya day ba ka jinglong jingman jung khau bat kiwe ki marba mardi ulong bala batha yu chief secretary ke jala banwat ka kerteng jung kinong bisar ki bala shong that jung ka high court bat lakhmi lenti ba ka ni ka committee kan IT ya ka kaipot hapo lai benai ukon rat ula pentip ba ka sarkar kala yo ya ka jing pentip ha ka biade bat ka program ka bam pat tikna ba menteri kampo yin kari u Amit Shah unwan sekanong ba shelong bat undon arsngi bat sa shimit bat unlum ya ka jingalang bat ka nesak bat baro ki menteri Rangba ka than chete la mingi un play ki kapto ka netali ki project bat un lait ru sha sora ban play ya ka wei ka project ukon rat ulong ke sarkar kala yok priang ya ke jingkarpa nakikan hun beper ki bakwa banyak kendu yo Amit Shah bat kilapan ba on pelat por banyak kendu ya ki bat ke sarkar jalla kan saya keren ru bat Amit Shah halor ki babun ki mat ki bakongsan.
And he also will be, we have also got requests from different organizations and groups who want to meet the Honorable Home Minister. So we have put in the request for them also and asked for time. We have not got a response yet, but I am very hopeful that he will give a positive response on that. So we're waiting for confirmation. And during those visits, during those meetings, I'm sure this discussion of different issues that are important to the state will be discussed in that meeting also. And obviously at my level also, I will be discussing these matters with the Honorable Home Minister, and we will see what response we get from that.
Ukuan rat sangma ulaong bak sarkar jala na doka pratarik unaitung kaladep panpa pensange no ya kejingwat ikinong bala ke basakut hapok ka krem doyong kabadan haumpleng East Giant Hills District. Ulaong hakane kejingwat ya ke basakut layak bansai laingut kinong bala banakaliang kisipai Navy NDRF bat ki SDRF kilapan pau baki hap ban ngam haduk sispa san paupot bat kim lakshu ban ngam jeliu palat ya kata kum talarai ban sange no yakini ke jingwat yaki basakut ulaong ru baka sarkar kan siu ya ka bailut ksan shiki bahayeng hasam jong kini kinong bala kumban chupen ken mau ke dan san ngut kinong bala ke bala sakut hapok krem doyong bat ha ke jingwat penia layok ban sei lai tali ki met yap naka krem doyong ka ba ladap
But yes, we have closed or suspended the rescue operations on the 8th of July 2021, and 3 bodies were recovered, and the NDRF, SDRF and Navy have mentioned that they have tried their best. They had to dive in 150 feet to recover this, and they were not able to go any further. So based on that, the operations were suspended. And regarding the ex gratia that has to be given, it is very clear in the mandate that has been given by NGT that we will have to give. So therefore, we will be giving that once the identifications are complete and the family members are contacted. Then we will definitely proceed with the ex gratia payment that has to be given to them.
Halor kajing keno kasing bhalang bakajing yo environmental clearance jongka Star Cement kadai namar kajing ajing mut jongka sarkar jala nakaliang menteri rangba ulong ka sarkar jala kala persang labun sin ban penlong ya ka public hearing ban sngap ya ka surjong pa la ukershan upersha hendrai haman badon ka public hearing kalami kajing huri hura ban umla ban penlong ya ka public hearing Ulaong ka sarkar jala kala pentip sa ka sarkar pedeng bakamla ban penlong ya ka public hearing watla kala persyang bat ka sarkar pedeng kala syem ya karai katkum kikendon an.
In all these public hearings that took place, there was violence. There was a lot of breaking of the pandal and chairs and all these things, and every time the public hearing could not take place. So therefore, obviously, keeping the entire process in mind, there comes a time where we tell the Government of India we can't have the mining, we can't have the public hearing anymore. We've tried multiple times. So that report has gone to Government of India. And we have said that now Government of India can decide as per whatever rules that they have, based on which they can take a decision how to move forward. So yes, we have forwarded to Government of India for their intervention because we could not have the public hearing in a peaceful manner, which is a fact. And it's not that we did it once. It was done maybe 2, 3, 4 times, if I'm not wrong. I think 3 times. So there was no choice left with us but to forward the case to Government of India and decide as per norms and rules on what they would like to do. And we had said that we tried to have the public hearing, but we could not.